What's going on, guys? Just here working today on my 350Z. I'm not sure if you have ever had this issue before, but I have broken door handles. So I've been seeing online a lot of complaints about Nissan making crappy door handles, and unfortunately I have just that. So I'll give you a tutorial on how to fix it. Shouldn't take you too long to do it. Very short, quick and easy. To start, I'll show you how bad my door handles currently are. I'm not sure if you experienced this, but see that? Come off the door. I'm not supposed to do that. And I can't even open my door without rolling my windows down. First thing you'll have to do is remove these two plugs right here. These are what's covering the 10mm bolts that you'll need to take out to take off the door handles. They're a simple remove. Like that. And like that. Now with this part, as you can see, my door latch broke off. So that doesn't really help me very much. But just remember, you always have to take this off. This is your lock for your door. You must take it off with that 10mm screw right there as well. Now that I got the door handle off, the old one, right there next to the new one, can you tell what the difference is between the two? Looks horrible, but that's all right. Like I said, got the door lock off and these two pieces of metal. I'm not claiming anywhere to be a mechanic. I just know what I'm doing with my car. But this piece of metal right here, this is okay to come out. Because down inside there, I'm not sure if you can see it, but I'll point to it. This right here is where this piece of metal came from that I took out. You're gonna need to put these onto the new door handle for it to open your door. What it looks like when you get it together. It goes into that spot right there. So a simple slide on, as well as the door lock spot goes right there. All you gotta do is put this back into your door. Make sure that this piece goes into that blue thing that I just showed you. Show you the same thing on the other side. This door handle too is broken. I don't think it's meant to do that. And here's the issue. If you can look right in there, that broke off the door to the door handle. I'll point to it later. Same thing at the bottom, but you really can't see the bottom. So let's get to fixing this door as well. Again, remember, you have to take off these two holes, covers, to reveal the 10mm bolts. That's how you get the door handles changed on your 350Z. Sorry it's a little rainy today, but I really had the need to get this done. Driving around with broken door handles for too long. But thank you. Leave a comment, subscribe, and be gentle. This is my first video.